Hello friends, this video is about apiculture or beekeeping, its importance in agriculture and horticultural crops. Apiculture is practice of keeping bees as well as manufacturing of honey and bee wax. Winnie the Pooh would have been thrilled to have a neighbor into apiculture or the tending of bees and their honey. Its biological description belongs to kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Hymenoptera, family Apidae, and genus Apis. Types of honeybees: there are three types: queen, drone, and worker in a hive. The developmental period of these different category or caste of honeys. For workers, it is the emergence. Complete emergence takes 21 days. For queen, 16, and drone, 24 days. The life cycle is like egg, larvae, pupae, capped pupae cells, and new adult. The new adult, day 1, then nurse bee, that is adult 1 to 22, and foraging adult. The foraging adult is having the period of 23 to 42 days. That is the life cycle of adult bee. Workers are the one which goes and do all these works. Coming to different species of honeybee. Apis dorsata, that is rock bee, largest honeybee. Builds a single large open comb on high branches of trees and rocks, produces large quantity of honey, but this bee is difficult to domesticate. Second kind is Apis indica, that is Indian bee. Medium sized hive consists of several parallel combs in dark places like cavities of trees, trunks, mud walls, earthen posts, etc. This bee is not so ferocious and can be domesticated. Apis flora, this is little bee, small in size, builds a single small comb in bushes, hedges, etc. but honey yield is poor. Apis mellifera, that is European bee, somewhat like Indian bee Apis indica. This has been introduced in many parts of the world including India, and it is easily domesticated. Indian bee and European bee are majorly used for cultivation or using in field artificial rearing. The complete life cycle of different castes of honeybees. When queen lays eggs, there are two kinds, unfertilized and fertilized eggs. When unfertilized eggs hatch, they hatch to larvae. For first few days fed with royal jelly, that is saliva of workers, then on honey and pre-digested pollen, that will become pupa and drones will be produced. By fertilized egg that will hatch into larvae, fed on royal jelly for first few days, royal jelly replaced by honey and pre-digested pollen, then pupa, and one category is workers. When royal jelly is fed continuously, the pupa will become queen. That means drones, workers, and queen are the three category or caste of the honeybees. The nutritional importance of bee culture. Lot of medicinal properties are expected from this. Blood purification, bacteria, fungi, viral resistance capacity is the greater attraction of honey. Honey is rich in vitamins, minerals, proteins that like about 80% matters are covered in honey. The nutritional percentage is water 17 to 22%, glucose 35 to 37, fructose 33 to 36, sucrose 1 to 3%, ash 0.1 to 0.3%, and other acid regulators 0 to 0.18. Pure honey can be stored for a longer period of time, and it may become crystallized and stored as sugar. Emergence of new queen and swarming of the old one. When the queen gets older, her body gives out a chemical stimulus to the workers to construct a few rearing cells for queens. She places one fertilized egg in each of the such brood cells. The larvae are fed on royal jelly or saliva of workers. They turn into pupa and into queens. The first queen to emerge from the brood cells kills the remaining ones. The old queen takes to swarming along with a mixture of workers of all ages, leaving the old hive to develop a colony at some new sites. The new queen in the old hive takes to mating fight with the drones and returns to the same hive as described earlier. That means workers are mainly involved in searching for food and they are sterile, whereas drones, they are the male, they act as male, and when they fertilize they'll die and they'll produce, queen will produce lot of progenies, and queen is the one which is the head of that particular colony. Coming to importance of beekeeping in agriculture. The percentage of increase in the either in often pollinated or cross-pollinated crops in oil seeds when the agriculture is in 500 meter range, 14 to 50% increase in yield is expected. When it is 1000 meter range, means the capacity of pollination is 1000 meter, that is 4 to 44%. In field beans it is 34 to 99%, in strawberry 51 to 99%, in buckwheat 29 to 82%. When it comes to vegetables or horticulture crops, for grapes it is 23 to 54%, cucumber or for cucurbitaceous family 21 to 67%, for guava 12 to 70%, tomato 25 to 30%, watermelon 80 to 90%, clove 50 to 60%, cardamom 90 to 95%, coconut 20 to 25%, banana 60 to 7%, mango 20 to 25%, and areca nut 20 to 25%. Importance of beekeeping. The three major advantages are: it provides honey, a valuable nutritional food; provides bee wax, which has many uses in industry. Honeybees are excellent pollinating agents, thus increase agriculture and horticulture yields. In terms of actual value, this advantage exceeds the other two. It generates when it is mixed with other farming systems, it may give 10 to 35% more income to the farmers. Thank you. Hope I like this video, and do not forget to subscribe to get the further updates.